How to download and install DJI Mimo app for Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for DJI Mimo. Now open up the first website. Now click on download Android app. Now click on download anyway. Now go to details and wait for some time. Now open up the file. Now tap on install. Now tap on open. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.